Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can upload files to your Wix website. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, hover your mouse over the site you want to edit, and then click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken here to your dashboard. Once you're here in the dashboard, if you go here to the left, you're going to find all of these sections. So right now, go here to the bottom and click on edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to this tab right here. So this is basically going to be the editor for Wix. Just wait for it to load, and this is how it would look like. So once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. Right here, you're going to find add element, add section, pages and menu, and so on. So right now, if you want to upload files, all you need to do guys is click on add element. And then here, you can add all of these elements right here. As you can see guys, you can add a text, image, button, and so on. So I'm going to go to button. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these button styles right here. For example, I'm going to go to documents button, and then I'm going to choose attachment. And right now, once you add it, as you can see guys, you need to upload the media from here. Just click on upload, and then you can upload your file from your computer. And then once you do that, click on add to page, and then this is how you can do it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.